Here's just one other challenge. American Jews in the 21st century are very different from American Jews 100 years ago, and it's very hard, I think, for many to wrap their minds around that they spoke a different language, and that Judaism was different, and they might not have cared about Judaism at all. And this was before the creation of the State of Israel, and there was this Yiddish culture, or there was a let's say a richer Jewish civilization than they're familiar with. All that stuff, I think, is so different to what they know as Jews. The fact that Jews might not have called themselves, that the Jews call themselves by different names, a race, a people, a nation, an ethnicity. All these terms are so, and concepts are so unfamiliar. So the challenge is getting students to think about Jews in different ways than they know.